So court proceedings in the murder trial were marred by drama after resuming after almost 3 weeks. Advocate Charles Mnisi, who represents accused number 3 Mthobisi Mncube, threatened to withdraw from representing him after an instruction from the Correctional Services Area Commissioner that protective pads or sponges on leg irons be removed from inmates at the Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Services Centre.
My Lord, the instruction was from the Area Commissioner,
all right,
Mr. Khoza,
okay,
which we received on the 12th of July, 2025. And the instruction was based on the escape that took place at Bavianspoort,
okay,
where the offender had the sponge and the cuffs on top. The offender took out the sponge, and the cuffs could easily get out of the leg, and the offender hit the official with those cuffs, and he escaped. Up until today, he was never found.
Well, Mnisi protested, arguing that the decision was inhumane and irrational.
This is what Mr. Mncube is saying, my lord, that ever since he started to attend this trial, he has been always having those sponges that serve as a cushion from the leg irons. So it comes as a surprise for him now that he should be told that he's no longer supposed to be wearing these things simply because somebody had escaped at Bavianspoort. What does the escape of Bavianspoort has got to do with him? Even if that's a national legislation or it's an official statement, my lord, but it is unconstitutional. The constitutionality of which must then be tested. And if the court again were to insist that he should proceed the manner in which or in the condition in which he is here, I am not prepared to validate that, my lord. Otherwise, I'm going to request that we adjourn, we bring an agent application for that unconstitutionality of that directive to be tested. Thank you.
Yeah, when do you intend bringing it so that I can postpone? When do you intend bringing it?
I don't know. It might take me 3 months. I don't know.
Fine.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
Yes.
Give me a date so that you postpone.
I don't know. I don't have a date, my lord. It will depend on the court's attitude.
I thought you said you wanted to test the constitutionality.
I am saying if the court were to give a directive that this trial should proceed despite the consents or despite his consents of this unconstitutionality, then I'm going to request that this trial be postponed. It will depend on what the court will rule after this argument.
The reasons that are given, my lord, I'll submit is very flimsy. You are saying somebody escapes in Bavianspoort, therefore let's punish Mr. Mncube for that. Because for me, that's a sort of punishment.
We submit, my lord, that the decision by the area commissioner is unlawful, is wrong, and inhuman, and it is unacceptable. Lastly, my lord, the manner in which the accused number 3 has been brought before this court undermines the justice system of this country. He cannot be dragged by the group of warders, dragged up to this court in such a manner, my lord, as we have been told that he has been dragged out from the cell because pads have not been provided for. So the substitute that has been put is to get these big men to come and lift him up and bring him in court. It is inhuman to us. It is affecting us also as well when we see such occurrence happening inside in court, my lord. Therefore, it is my submission, my lord, that the decision that has been taken by the area commissioner, my lord, is unlawful, is irrational, and is wrong. It cannot be accepted, especially in this case, my lord, that is affecting the client's concentration in order to concentrate during the trial, my lord. I submit, my lord, that the accused number 5 also is unable to proceed with the trial because he's affected by such occurrence.
He's then prevented from wearing these pads. It's gross violation of his rights in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution. So I think the court has to intervene for the sake of progress in this matter.
But after an adjournment for several hours, an amicable solution.
Correctional Services has decided to restore the ankle pads and they're doing so, my lord, in the interest of progress in the case. As we speak, the accused are wearing those pads. They were put back.
Well, the trial resumes on Tuesday, with the state expected to call 2 witnesses. Chris Alder Lewis, SABC News at the High Court in Pretoria.